Welcome to BK Literature Channel. Respect nature. A short moral story. Once upon a time, there was a young girl who loved to explore the forest near her home. One day, she came across a beautiful flower that she had never seen before. It was so pretty that she decided to pick it and take it home. But as she walked through the forest, she started to feel guilty. She realized that she had taken something that didn't belong to her, and that the flower belonged in the forest, where it could grow and thrive. So she went back to where she had picked the flower and carefully replanted it in the ground. She watered it and cared for it, and soon it grew into a beautiful plant that everyone in the forest could enjoy. Moral: it is important to respect nature and to leave things where we find the environment and to help things grow and thrive. Thank you. Subscribe to support my channel.